Today we're making no-bake lemon cheesecake. Come on in, welcome to my home. Now here's an unexpected recipe. My nephew came down for a visit, and if you've been following me on my vlog, you know that my mom still isn't feeling 100% well, but she did promise him a cheesecake. So she asked me if I could make her no-bake cheesecake, and I said, no problem, I'll just turn it into an episode. So I have no idea when this one's going to air because this was never scheduled. But this is such an easy recipe, it's so simple to do, and you're going to love it. The ingredients are cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, fresh squeezed lemon juice, vanilla. Now you can make some of these ingredients. If you want to know how, you can always check the description down below. I have my links to the days where I show you how you can make these things, or you can just go out and buy them yourself. But let's get started. My cream cheese is at room temperature. I'm going to put that into my mixer and start mixing it. While that's going, I'm going to add my lemon juice and my vanilla. On this, you really want to make sure that you scrape down the sides. Once everything is incorporated, we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk. Now, of course, if you want to make your own, click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make it, or just go out and buy it. You'll want to blend that until it's smooth. Then once your mixture is smooth, you're going to put it into a graham cracker crust. Now, if you want to learn how to make your own graham cracker crust, just click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make your own graham cracker crust. Or you can use a purchased one like I'm using today because Mom already had it and she said go ahead and use that because she bought it specifically for this. Don't worry if it's not completely smooth. Then just spread it out in the pie shell. Then just place this in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours until it sets up and is fairly firm. Our pie has firmed up, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Alright, let's give this a taste. That is sweet and tangy. You taste each individual item, but you taste it all together, and it's this wonderful harmony of flavors. That is so good. If you have a recipe that you'd like me to make, let me know down in the comments. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.